It's July and Wimbledon's on the telly. Are you going to have a garden party or a barbecue? Have you got enough colour in your garden? Thing is, you could still make some summer planters. If you go to a garden centre or supermarkets, you'll be sold some really big bedding plants in full flower, sometimes called jumbo bedding. They might look expensive, but the plants are bigger and you need less of them to make a planter. So you could quite easily make a planter like this or this, and we'll show you how. So we've made this really hot planter just out of 4 plants. So you can see that it's basically all the hot colours. So what we have in it, this is Celosia. You'll find Celosia throughout the summer. Sometimes it's red, could be yellow, orange. They make really good structural plants for the back of your planter. Celosias will grow up, and it'll throw more and more flowers. So at the back we have a Celosia. Then for colour, it doesn't even need to flower. This is Coleus Kong. Makes a really big bushy plant. And as you can see on here, the leaves are actually huge. And then for colour, we have a red geranium. This is a geranium from seeds, so it's relatively cheap. But you could use a zonal geranium. And then this will provide some flower. And then this is lysmachia, creeping jenny. This will trail over the front. And because it's golden yellow, it just matches well with the foliage. You may have to look for this one on the alpine bench. Not a lot of people sell it as a bedding plant. So here we have a slightly cooler planter. We've gone for yellows and blues in a grey pot. So at the back we have Salvia. Salvia's from seed. This is Salvia farinaceae. There are different shades, so this is blue and white, or you can get a straight blue. And there's one that's almost like a silvery blue. This is upright, so again it's the focal point at the back of the pot. And then for colour, we have a Begonia yellow non-stop, and we've matched it with a yellow petunia. And for the trail at the front, something that's often overlooked is Brachyscome. Brachyscome makes a really good trailing plant. If you see it in the 9cm range, you might think, oh, it's a bit weak and it won't do anything. But through the summer, it grows and grows and grows and makes a really attractive plant. So here we have another hot planter, combining sort of contrasting colours. So it's got marigolds, petunias, verbena and begonias in it. So it doesn't look like it yet, but your marigold is probably your focal point, so it'll grow this big. So this would be towards the back of your container. And then unlike the other 2 containers that we did, this has got 2 trailing plants in. So we've got verbena white, which will grow up and trail, and we've got a trailing blue petunia. So at the front, we've just given it a little bit of height by using the begonia. So these 2 will trail over the front, and this will add the height at the back. So you still end up with a pyramid shape, trailing sides. And because the colours are contrasting, it can look quite vibrant and strong. So here we're going for a slightly cooler theme again. So we've got pink cosmos, pink petunias, yellow petunias, and white nemesia. So it's more restful. What you can't get through a video is the scent of this nemesia. It's incredibly sweet and just fills your garden with perfume. So don't ignore scent in your summer garden. So at the back of the plant we've used a cosmos. Cosmoses can grow really big, so make sure you pick a dwarf variety. So this is a dwarf variety that will grow about 12 inches high, and it'll end up about this bushy as well. And then we've married it with 2 petunias. We've gone yellow and pink. Remember the cosmos is pink as well. So these are our 2 trailing ones that will trail over the sides of the pot. And this is our nemesia, which will end up filling the middle here. So it'll fill all of this gap in, and then these will trail down the side. So again, we've got our slightly pyramid shape.